Welcome. Today I will be showing how to create electronic gradebook categories and items in D2L BrightSpace. First thing you want to do is click the Grades tab. Next, click the new blue button and select Category. Enter the name of the category and click the Save and Close button when you're done. This will create a new category. Repeat this same process to create more categories in your electronic gradebook. To add items or assignments to your category, now select Items, then select Numeric. Name your item or your assignment. Edit the amount of points you want the assignment to be, and select the respective category the item goes to. In this case, I will assign the item Week 2 discussion grade to category Week 2. Repeat this same process to continue adding items to your categories. You have now added categories and items into your electronic gradebook. Thank you.